Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs with milk. Whisk eggs and milk together until smooth, then season lightly with salt and pepper. Heat a non-stick pan over low heat and melt a small pat of butter. Pour the mixture in and stir slowly with a spatula, folding the eggs until just set. Remove from heat while slightly wet, then serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Gather your ingredients: eggs, milk, salt, pepper, and a bit of butter. Crack eggs into a bowl and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk per egg for creaminess. Whisk briskly until the mixture is uniform and slightly frothy to incorporate air. Preheat your pan on low to medium-low and melt the butter so it coats the surface evenly. This gentle start helps create soft, custardy scrambled eggs you will want every morning. Start cooking on low heat and be patient. Rushing makes dry eggs. Pour the egg mixture into the pan and let it sit briefly until edges set, then fold gently with a spatula. Continue folding and moving the eggs around the pan, allowing soft curds to form. When the eggs are mostly but not completely set, remove the pan from heat so residual warmth finishes them. This method yields tender, creamy scrambled eggs every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.